Hi everyone, so in this video we will understand how do you add on a new domain in your existing server that you have already purchased from the same server. So by the way, before I go into this, let me tell you, like if you are taking a domain from Namecheap and the hosting is also with Namecheap, but under that hosting there is already one domain that is hosted, but technically you have an edge of adding up to 3 or up to 50 domains under the same server. So you do not have any trouble, okay, you can easily do it, and it implies to all the servers. Now for GoDaddy also, if you are taking a domain from GoDaddy or multiple domains from GoDaddy and you are just taking one server, so under that one server you can host multiple domains given that the server has got that facility. Now let's talk about this thing. Let's say you are taking the domain from GoDaddy and willing to host it to Namecheap server, then it is slightly an issue because the procedure is slightly different, wherein you have to match the DNS, that is the domain name servers. You have to change the domain name servers on which hosting you are hosting it to, then only it would be hosted. Otherwise it won't be hosted easily, as simple as add-on domains that I'm going to show it to you. So yeah, so that is one thing that you have to take care. You have to switch, you have to do that route mapping of each domain. That also will cover it up in other videos. Now moving on with the same thing, if you just check with this, like under the same server that you are understanding, if you want to add on multiple domains that you have purchased from the same server, how do you do it? So come down to your cPanel. I have shown it multiple times. How do you come down to your cPanel? Under the every hosting, you just can click on go to cPanel. Make sure that you have a cPanel hosting, otherwise things are really difficult to work with your hosting. Doesn't matter whatever the hosting server you're working with, you have to have a control panel, you have to have apps to manage all of these things. Like SiteGround is completely different when it comes to Namecheap and GoDaddy and other servers. These are slightly similar, not exactly but slightly similar. Well, moving on, you have to find out here add-on domain. Now add-on domains are coming up over here. You can also get into see that under the domain section you get to see this option of add-on domains. So click on add-on domains. You can either search for it or you can just click on the existing option. So create an add-on domain. So you have to write down the domain, whatever the domain you are going to add on. Don't keep it to any subdomain. Let's say here I want to add on a new domain that is let's say we have to make sure, by the way, that the domain exists over here. Well, have a look at it now. It's already been there. Now this domain, I'm going to add it. Now the document route has already been taken. I would also like to I would also not like to create a FTP account here, because the file transfer protocol account is not required over here if you are doing it under the same server. Like I run 3 websites. All the websites have been hosted under the same server. My blog site, also there are other sites, and it works pretty well. So once you just write the new domain, you just have to click on add-on domain, and that domain will be added on to the root files of your existing hosting, and this is how you can just add on a new domain. It's that easy. But yeah, again, when you are doing it for multi servers, you have to make sure that you are matching up with the DNS, that is domain name server. Thank you.